us in terms of imaging as a level 5 is the MRI machine, which I think it's in the process. We are in the process of trying to see how we are going to have another MRI of this, so that as we transition to level 6, we have all the imaging department. Maybe to brief you, also, Your Excellency, this morning a delegation from the DOD has come and is officially ready to start the national project. They are going to start removing the asbestos as of tomorrow, so that they are able to start the construction. Some of them are on the ground trying to put logistics on how they are going to begin the works. Yes.
Beautiful. Dr. Meru, you have something to add, but you'll be very brief.
Yes, thank you, Your Excellency. Essentially, for the commissioning of the CT scan, part of the reason it is good to state that a number of people have been really been undergoing a tough time, because the CT scans that have been available for the last 2 years, they are in town and they are privately owned, and they were ranging all the way to a cost of 14,000. Personally, when I got involved in an accident, I was almost unable to afford a head CT scan, because when they charged me 14,000, I felt like it was extortion. Given the fact that SHA is charging at 6,900, reimbursing at 6,900. So this is going to bring really our vision of quality, affordable and accessible healthcare service closer to the people. The other point I wanted to put across, Mheshimiwa, is that when you shall be speaking out there, it is good also to notice that we have decentralized, devolved eye surgical services even further. Now from MTRH or the Kinyanjui is a point that we need to point out that in Nyambene already they are doing that, because I feel even as you give your press, we will have, it is good to focus the bigger aspect of also Meru County, and we're in the process of upgrading. As we upgrade level 5 to level 6, we're in the process of upgrading the other key hospitals. That is the hospitals of Nyambene, Meathene, Timau and Kanyakine to level 6, and we have allocated sufficient budget in this year's budget. And yes, we have.
Level 4.
From the level 4 now to level 5. These ones are the 4 key hospitals that we're targeting to be level 5s. So we hope at least by the end of the budget cycle we shall be somewhere that we shall be having these hospitals at least at the range of the level 5 hospital. It's also good to note that we have allocated a budget of 300 million to drugs, an upgrade from 205 million from last year's budget. That is an increase of around 95 million towards availing medicines to our people. Those are the key things that we need to know. It is also good to tell Mwananchi that SHA is covering the CT scans that are going to be provided here at level 5. Yes. Thank you, Mheshimiwa.
Thank you, Dr. I think
there is also something I wanted to note. Sorry, about Nyambene, about fistula. It is the only regional hospital, the whole of this region, providing fistula services free of charge. The other hospital, I think, was in Garissa, but they closed down. Nowadays, it's just Nyambene level 5.
That's the information that we should avail to Mwananchi.
Yes.
So we should do it through our local media.
For sure.
Also social media.
Yes.
Radios, word of mouth, in the meetings, wherever we have gatherings.
For sure.
That's the information that is very important for our people to know.
Yes.
And to be aware of, because they don't know. Yeah.
Those services are being given almost on a daily basis, free of charge. Yes.
Okay.
Something to do.
I wouldn't wish to take a lot of time in the boardroom.